We are with Hannah in the keyboard mouse department. I think last year in the Azoth HQ we've seen the ROG Harpe mouse. This year they are bringing the Harpe Extreme.
Yes.
So Hannah, can you tell us more about the Harpe Extreme?
So what's special about the Harpe Extreme? So as you can see from its appearance, the shell is actually made out of carbon fiber. In order to achieve this, we actually gone through 8 rigorous process. Yes, 8 process to make sure that every single weaves right here aligns with the main body. So the left and right button aligns with the whole body as well. So another thing that we did to make sure that the gamers love is that we didn't put any holes in it. So no holes. The whole thing is made out of carbon fiber, and it's actually 47 grams.
Because if you put holes, then all the sweat and all,
yes,
right?
like a debris, everything gets dirty, and you can feel it. It's 47 grams.
Yeah, it's very, very light.
And then another thing that, so before we used the Teflon mouse feet, now we also have the Corning Gorilla glass mouse feet as well.
Oh, okay.
So it gives you a more like a faster swipe, as well as it's just pretty with the ROG aesthetics as well.
So the Extreme comes with both, or
yes, it comes with both.
or the box comes with Teflon and
yes,
the Gorilla
so you can switch wherever, however you like.
Okay.
Yes. So that's briefly about the Harpe Extreme. I'll move on to the Azoth Extreme.
Before that,
Yes.
any pricing information and release date?
I can tell you the release date will be Q3.
Q3, okay.
Q3 this year. Pricing you have to ask your local sales.
Okay.
So the new keyboard, you might know the Azoth already.
So now we have the Extreme again.
Yes,
Azoth Extreme.
Yes, it's the new, pretty high quality premium version. So what's special about it is that the whole chassis is aluminum alloy. So as you can see, like the top frame is also aluminum alloy as well. You can see like the top right here.
The OLED is now color.
Yeah, full colored OLED
full color.
screen. And you can touch and swipe for CPU temperature or custom your animation as well. The 3-way knob is just like the Azoth, so you can press the button on the side here to adjust like the volume, and then you press up and down to adjust whatever you like. So that's the front part. Another special thing, let me show you maybe on this side. So the back of it, there's the nameplate. So if we click it open like this, so we have the receiver slot right here. And then you can adjust the hard and soft typing mode.
Typing mode? Okay.
Yes. So what's special about it is that if you switch the hard mode, usually gamers like it because there's quicker respawn. But if you switch to soft mode, so as for us, when we are typing in the office, long hours, we'll still get a very pleasant feel. So that's why we give them the flexibility to switch the toggle up and down to do whatever they like. So we have the carbon fiber positioning plate right here. This gives you a crispy sound. So it's hard with the acrylic, but you can kind of listen to it. So this gives like the sound, it will be more like crispier, as well as the it will absorb more keystrokes. Like it will give you more cushioning as well.
So which part is the one that when we do the adjustable switch part?
Right here. At the bottom. I can't move this one, but this one is the one that does all the adjustable gasket. This is the bottom part. This one is actually a little bit special. So we created the silicone pad like just in case if users want a softer, even softer typing experience, you can actually remove it by open the keyboard and just pull it out, and then you'll get an even softer typing experience.
Okay, I can feel the.
Yes.
I see. So if I remove this, then of course I don't need to use the switch anymore, right?
You can still switch it.
You can still switch it?
Yes, but then this will give you
this
even
removing
softer.
this will be even softer.
Yes, correct.
Okay. I guess softer is better for a lot of typing, long typing, right?
Yes.
Okay. And again, I want to ask you any pricing information?
No, we don't have it yet. Please ask your local sales, but it will be out by Q3.
Together with the mouse as well, Q3 as well.
Q3.
I see. Thank you so much, Hannah. Thank you for your time. Thank you.